Alright, here are the units we visited at my church, finally. Yeah, I'm finally back. Here's this route. 2005, it's a 3.5 ton. Pretty sure it has an older Copeland skull compressor. Here's the Train XR13. It's got the Climate Tough reciprocating compressor, I think. Might have an Alliance though. 2008, that is a 5 ton. Yeah, it does have a Climate Tough, I just realized. Alright, here's this 2002 Amana. 2002, I'm not sure what tonnage. 5 ton actually. Yeah, 5 ton. I think it's been running. Here are these two reams. There's this new one from 2023, I believe. Yeah, there's the data. Of course, I can't zoom in. This one is from 2018. I just figured this out yesterday, and if you look, I think this recently got replaced. The capacitor, the run capacitor recently got replaced. And it sounds pretty nice. And here are these two 38. Here are these two carriers. This one's a 38 CKC, and this one is a 38 BA. I'm pretty sure. I don't think they've been running either. All right, on to the next bunch. All right, here's this 2014 train Precedent. And it's not short cycling anymore. It's from December of 2014, and that is a 3 ton. Here's this little Heil that I filmed a couple times. Pretty sure that, yeah, Emerson Copeland skull compressor. That thing is ice cold. 2023, 1.5 ton. Here's this Mitsubishi. Two ton from 2023. Ice cold. Here's this route, it's off. Yeah, it does have an older Copeland. (2005), 3.5 ton as well. It has rocks on it to reduce rattling. Here's this Mitsubishi, which is running on a lower speed than the other one. Two ton as well, and it's from 2023 as well. That's ice cold. This one has a hack job, and it's running. 2005, same tonnage, 3.5 ton. Rattling a little bit. All right, on to the last two. All right, here are the last two. Oh, they're both off, I think. Whoa, that is frozen. Oh my gosh. Whoa, that is really frozen. That is totally ice solid. Alright, here's the last one. This one is also off. That other one over there was running earlier. The giant scrolls, Copeland scroll compressor. Chosen 5, that is a 181,000 BTUs. I will decode that on the BTU decoder on the internet. And I might put a link to the description to that BTU decoder for y'all. Alright, but I have to go to class now, so thank y'all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and well, I'll see you on the next one. Over and out.